Radxa X4, it's a computer. This is basically just a Raspberry Pi, but if it had a different CPU architecture and it ran 30 degrees hotter than usual. Instead of having a regular ARM-based CPU like other SBCs, it has an entire quad-core Intel processor. But you can't see it because it's on the other side of the board. This basically has everything that Pi has, with your standard USBs and Ethernet, and basically the same ports as the Raspberry Pi 4. And it even has your regular 40-pin GPIO controlled by a tiny little Raspberry Pi Pico right there. It's even got its own dedicated M.2 slot right here. But if you don't know already, M.2 slot is basically just tiny PCIe slot. What else can you plug into PCIe ports? Graphics cards. First, I just need to install Windows to the eMMC chip right here. Now Windows installed, I've just got to take the SSD out, plug the graphics card in. This screw isn't magnetic, is it? So either the screw or my screwdriver. Is the SSD. I believe it's a 256 gig Kioxia drive. I'm going to be using this WID adapter to extend the M.2 slot. I'll just go in like that and I can plug whatever into this side. I'm going to be using this adapter to convert the M.2 slot to just a regular PCIe port. Now the graphics card, which is a MSI GTX 1650. Nearly ready. All I need is just power supply for this, which I have right down it. It's the standard 400 watt power supply from not sure how to pronounce that. I have done the little trick to power it on without a motherboard. Just like get a little jumper line, just stick between two pins. All I've got to do now is just plug this cable in, just single SATA power, plug it into the little adapter thing here. Just have to rest this down so it'll keep moving. Power supply can just stay there. Everything is basically all ready now. All I've got to do is just plug all the power cables in. GPU fans are spinning up, so it's working. Only video cables on the GTX 1650, only the USB-C power cable on the Radxa. I'm getting an app on my monitor. So a little problem is decided to just not boot off the eMMC for some reason, so I've got to reinstall Windows.